Hello everyone, and welcome back again to another tutorial. So today's tutorial I'm going to be using this fabulous Ankara fabric right here. So yeah, let's get started. So I have folded the fabric so that we're going to be cutting the front and the back pattern together at the same time. The folded edge where the center front is, I'm going to be marking down 8 inches for the neck, the front neck depth, and then 1.5 inches for the back, and then the width of the neck is 3 to 4 inches. So just connect the lines like so. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. If you're a returning viewer, also thank you for stopping by, and please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and make sure you give this content a thumbs up if you do enjoy it to help my channel grow. So this is a dropped shoulder dress, so I'm gonna be using 8 inches as my normal shoulder measurement plus another 8 inches to form the sleeve of the dress. And then I'm using 10 inches for the armhole area. If you want it to be bigger, you can make it as big as you want. So mark around 2 to 3 inches inwards from the armhole point, and that's gonna be used as the guide to draw the underarm curve. So from this point on, you just want to mark straight down to the bottom of the dress. You can decide to narrow the end of the dress a little bit, just by about 1 inch or 2, so that you can have that tapered type of look towards going towards the bottom of the dress. So here I'm just separating the two pieces, so the front and the back, so that I can cut out the front neckline without cutting the back.